Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your assets with Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the types of assets you want to protect. Consider real estate, investments, and personal property. Next, research your local laws regarding asset protection. Understand the different legal structures available to shield your assets. Explore setting up a trust as a primary option for protection. A living trust can help manage your assets while you're alive. An irrevocable trust offers stronger protection but reduces your control over assets. Look into limited liability companies, or LLCs, for business assets. LLCs can safeguard personal property from business liabilities. Consider forming a family limited partnership if you have significant family assets. This can help transfer wealth while protecting assets from creditors. Investigate using umbrella insurance for additional liability coverage. Umbrella policies can provide extra protection beyond your standard insurance. It's essential to keep detailed records of all your assets. Maintain up-to-date documentation for ease of access. Consult a financial advisor to tailor a strategy to your needs. A professional can help you understand complex regulations. Engage with an attorney specializing in asset protection. Ensure you comply with all legal requirements in your asset protection strategy. Review and adjust your plans regularly to adapt to changes. Use available tools from Fidelity to manage and track your investments. Fidelity offers resources that can help you monitor asset performance. Consider using their investment products that can provide growth potential. Diversify your investments to minimize risk to your overall portfolio. Stay informed about market trends that could impact your assets. Regularly assess your insurance coverage as part of your protection strategy. Ensure that you have adequate life and health insurance policies. Document your asset protection plans clearly and securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.